and welcome to Rainbow Kids Zone. Drawing a panda is fun and simple. Start with a round head, big ears, and cute oval eyes. Add a tiny nose, a smiling mouth, and a chubby body. Now, it's time to color. Use black for the ears, eyes, and limbs, leaving the rest white. Add soft shading for a fluffy look. With every stroke, the panda comes to life, looking extra adorable. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and let your creativity shine. Like and share your cute panda masterpiece.